must be kind of wet because we're getting a little bit of smoke from it. But it should do, shouldn't it? Just need to wait.
Okay, well the fire's well established now. We've got the steaks, the mushrooms, the onions, and we've already got made peeled potatoes just for quickness. Stuart has to travel back home soon. So they're going to get sliced and fried with the mushrooms and onions and the garlic butter we have. The steaks are getting smoked on the grill over the pine wood. It's going to be delicious. Apologies if the quality isn't as good. We are in a dense woodland area, and the GoPro might not be picking it up as well, so I've changed the settings as best as I can get. Hopefully it's still good enough for you all. So sit back, relax, enjoy the cooking.
And don't forget to share the Scottish Wanderer.
You don't need any introduce.
I'm plugging my channel.
Yeah, Stuart's helping me in a lot of ways. Stuart's got 8,000 subs and many more views per month. I'm still the small guy. But with under 1,000 subs.
When Mark overtakes me, don't forget me, Mark.
Yeah, I'll remember you, don't worry.
Don't forget me. I'm still here, doing the dance in the woods.
Yeah, he's famous for the spam dance if you don't already know him, but I'm sure many, if not all of you do.
Butter.
Yep, let's get it in with the flavour with the garlic. Something like £1 for half a dozen or something.
We've got the same grill. I think you copied me, Mark.
Maybe. I think I had my grill before.
Me and Mark like to kid each other on. Probably Mark had his first, but I just kid him on. I just say you copied me. Because you end up getting the same kind of things, don't you? Because I got it because it was like £6 or £7, so most people are going to buy it. It's a good grill, isn't it?
It does the job. All I need it for is elevation over a fire.
So there's the potatoes on.
There's a flock of ducks going over us if you hear them. In the meantime, still cooking away. That's the potatoes, onions and mushrooms sizzling away with the garlic butter. A little bit saved for the steaks, which should be mainly flavoured by the pine wood smoke coming from the flames. As soon as these are ready, they'll get kept warm and we'll be on to the steaks shortly.
Putting the steaks on. Will I put them on, or do you want to do it, Mark?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Straight on the... We just put it straight on the grill?
Yep.
Yep, here we go. Lovely jubbly. Yeah. I'm drilling at the mouth here.
Bit of pine. Flavour.
That's going to be nice with the smoky flavour on it, isn't it?
Oh yeah, better than a barbecue, let me assure you.
Always tastes better when you're outdoors. Always. Ooh!
It's yours. It might not be the most presentable, but it's going to taste delish. It's all mine.
It's mine. It's mine's, Mark.
Mine.
No, it's mine.
Bon appetit.
Yeah. Oh, my bum might get wet sitting here.
Enough for me, it won't.
Oh, I'm sitting on my mat. But uneven, isn't it?
Well, thanks guys for again your continued support, and thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe. This is the kind of thing we're actually good for doing together, but we still have our own takes on the channels and videos we want to produce to you, so there's definitely a variety there. Well, I'm digging in. It smells great.
I've already eaten mine.
How is it?
It's good, yeah.
Is it?
Lovely.
The garlic butter's a little, it's just a little bit, yeah. Just does it.
I will say the potato is a hit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's try it myself. I've never made them myself, I've only ever had them in a restaurant. Oh yeah. It actually says the potato had a flavour and the taste bud better than the steak did. But steaks and pine wood smoke. I think it's better. I've had better steaks off like this than even a barbecue for sure. There's just something about it.
Yeah. Can't beat coming in the woods and having a steak, can't you not? I like my steaks, so I've probably got too many steak videos, but I just love steaks in general. You can't have too many steaks, can't you not?
Not in outdoors, it's caveman style.
Have you done a caveman? You've done it in the coals, Mark?
Once I had the grill over the coal, but not lit. No, yeah, I did. I think I did it with the burger. But I thought the charcoal, it didn't taste that great.
I enjoyed it.
Smoke is good. And always, folks, leave no trace.